Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. We've got our February Boxycharm here. I hope you are excited to dive into this month's box with me. I know I am excited. As you can see, my face is not completely done because I did cheat and get in my box so that I could try these products on with you. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm, it is a monthly subscription box. They have a couple different boxes that you can choose from. I choose the base box. It is $27.99 a month. You get 5 full-sized either makeup or skincare products. You get to choose one of them, and I enjoy this box very much. This is not a sponsored video. I just truly enjoy being a member of Boxycharm, getting those 5 products every month, and also getting to utilize their discounts. Every month when you choose your product for the next month, you get to shop deep discounts. I keep forgetting the name. It's called Drop Shop, so I love it. I just shopped yesterday for my March box and I'm super excited. Some beautiful high-end items. For example, I just got a Charlotte Tilbury foundation that I've had my eye on. I picked up a new primer that I've had my eye on. A lot of times they have really deep discounts on makeup and skincare. So without further ado, let's get into this box. Every month you get a card that's going to give you a description of the items that came in the box and their retail value. So let's get the skincare out of the way first. And the first one, this one was my choice. This is the Saturday Skin Yuzu Vitamin C Bright Eye Serum Buttery Eye Cream with an infusion of yuzu fruit, a rich vitamin C citrus, combined with targeted ingredients such as active viral complex and niacinamide. This eye cream will improve moisture retention, hydrate, and blur the appearance of fine lines. I love a good eye cream, and I've heard some great things about Saturday Skin, so I chose this. I believe it was between this and a highlight. I have plenty of highlighters, and I feel like I'm leaning away from highlighters these days, so super excited to have that. The second product that I have here is the Yensa Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. This primer is the perfect first step to achieving a superfood glow, infused with 8 superpowered skin-loving ingredients to help minimize the appearance of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. Lightweight satin sheen formula creates an invisible skin perfecting finish. If you know me, I am on an oily skin journey, so the satin sheen primers are not my thing. So this is going to be set aside for a friend or family member or potentially a giveaway. Forgot to mention the Saturday Skin is valued at $32, and this Yensa Glow Primer is worth $35. Moving right along, we got a cool brush here. This is the Alleyoop Multitasker 4-in-1 Makeup Brush, an award-winning multitasker brush combined with the 4 most essential makeup applicators, including a sponge, blush, brow, and eyeshadow brush. This compact game changer is all you need for a full face on the go or at home. Each is made of premium synthetic fibers, valued at $28. Let's take a look at this. We've got a blending sponge on this side. We've got a powder brush on this side, feels super soft. And then inside, you open this up, and on this side is a blending brush for your eyeshadow. On this side, you have a liner brush, which this could be used to create wings. This could be used for your brows. You can use this for a couple different things. The quality feels nice, and the aesthetic is beautiful. We're going to use this today. The next product is from Stila. This is their Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. Volumizing, long-wearing mascara drenches every lash in an intense triple black pigment and builds unstoppable color for the boldest, blackest lashes ever. With just one coat, you get instant major volume, length, lift, and intense black color. Even with multiple coats, the flexible formula leaves lashes soft with no clumps, flakes, or fallout. Valued at $23. Sounds lovely. I love a new mascara, and the packaging is really pretty. Last product we have here is Estate Cosmetics. This is the Precision Felt Tip Liquid Liner. This ultrafine felt tip liquid liner delivers any look from a quick flick to a bold wing lasting all day. It won't skip, tug, feather, smudge, or run. And this one is valued at $12. Let's play. I will have the makeup already on my face listed in the description box below. I feel like I need some color on my face. So let's get into this Multitasker brush. And I am going to use it with a cream bronzer. I grabbed my Wet n Wild to just put some of this on this sponge, and we are going to apply it. First time, so we're being careful. It looks like it's blending it in nicely. I'll keep you posted as to when I clean it, if it seems to accept a cleaning well, or if the sponge is going to be delicate and break. Just go into town. I'm going to put a little bit on the tip. We're going to go across this hairline here to diminish my 5 head instead of 4 head. You get the joke. I like this. I'm going to go up the nose a little bit. I'm going to use that brush. Ooh, the brush is very flimsy. I don't know how I feel about that. Let's use a powder bronzer. This one is from Juvia's Place to set it, and then we can use this powder. It looks like an angled powdered brush, and I am going to go into this cooler toned one. This is the medium palette, and let's just seems to be doing a good job. Let's throw a little blush on. I've got my Sephora cream blush. Let's use the inside of this. I want to use this blending brush, and I am just going to go into my bronzer, and I'm going to define my crease a little bit. I'm going to go into this shade, and let's see if it feels awkward or it feels good. Because there's a flatness to the brush, but there's also a little bit of fluffiness. No complaints. I mean, I don't know if I would use this brush for a very detailed eye look, but for a very simple, throw some bronzer in the crease and run out the door, bronzer in the crease, highlight on the lid. This could be an easy, especially for travel, brush. Dust that under the eye. Definitely nice. And then that angled brush side would be easy. Like I use my NYX brow gel, or like if you wanted to use a liner, it feels on the firm side, which I prefer. Let's jump into this liquid liner from Estate. Let's see what this looks like. Pretty packaging. Here's what it looks like. Let's swatch it. Looks pretty nice. Not sure they're exactly even, but I think they look nice. It went on pretty darn well for a liner beginner such as myself. Now I'm gonna grab this mascara from Stila. This packaging is gorgeous. I've never heard anything about this Stila mascara. Let's see. The wand is a little bit large. Take a look at that, and then let's just jump in. It had a lot of claims, but don't all mascaras? So far, so good. All right, let me go in with the second coat. Okay, I am back. The top and bottom mascara is on, and I like it. I like it a lot. If texture is a thing, I really like the way it feels. It's like frosty on the top, it's smooth on the bottom. Very nice mascara. So overview of the products received. We got the primer. Yay, I'm sure it's lovely. Just not for my skin type. The Multitasker Brush, I really enjoyed it. I mean, I was awkward putting on the bronzer with it, but I'm sure it would be easy for concealer. I love that you've got the brushes inside. It feels really nice. I mean, I'm not sure if you could use this for liquid products or cream products because it is a very fluffy brush, but to set or for blush or even, you know, maybe gently apply highlighter, I think you could use this for a lot of different things. I like this brush. I am not disappointed. The eye cream, I'm looking forward to trying. I know I will use this. Great product. The mascara, absolutely. I think it is nice. Hopefully it doesn't run. I will have to test it on the bottom lashes. The liner. Yeah, the liner seems great. It doesn't seem to be running. It doesn't seem to be fraying. I will have to keep you posted as to how it wears for the day, if it runs. This is a softer eye look, which I needed to do with this bold lip. I hope you like it. I added up all of the products and the box was valued at $130, which isn't bad considering I paid $27.99 for the box. I've had boxes with a higher retail value, but this one is still fantastic because I got products that I will use. I will use every one of these products, save one. I will have everything listed below for you in the event you are interested in any of the products that were featured in my Boxycharm box or products that were already on my face. I will have more information about joining Boxycharm if you are interested. Like I said, not sponsored. I think I get points to use on my discount room if you choose to use my link, but if you do, that is great. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I hope that you will consider subscribing before you leave. I post videos 3 days a week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays, and I hope that you will join me. Leave me a comment. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Have a fabulous day, and I'll see you in the next one.